Hello, what's up, everyone, my lovely friends. So, today I brought you guys a new legit paying update, which is you can use to make legit money in Nigeria. I'm going to show you the website that I'm talking about so you can see exactly how it works. It's just simple platform and it's very free to use. So here is how much I'm having inside the platform. So they have a lot of tasks to do. So they have a lot of tasks to do. Anyone that you don't understand, I can explain to you. Just make sure you chat me on my WhatsApp. Guys, I'm not joking. Here now in Nigeria, you see how things is. So you need to try your best to survive. Guys, here now, as you can see here now, I have a lot of tasks that I have to do. So it's very simple to do, guys. See, once you come here, once you come to in, they have a lot of tasks. So you choose the one that you can do. So like this one now, add click. So once you come here, then you have to so be watching me so you can see the way I'm doing it, guys. So I'm not joking. This one is just new launch app that you can use to make small amount of money for yourself. So guys, you can see, be watching, just keep watching me. You see, I will explain everything to you so you can understand me. So as you can see, you see how I own this one. So this is how it works. So guys, keep on watching, so I will show you everything
Congratulations,
that you
your
need
cash
to know.
reward is ready.
So I will show you everything. So see, this is how 7 plus 8, which is 11. So you see, guys, you can see this they have a lot of tasks to do inside the website. So it's just new launch website that you can do some tasks to earn a lot of money. Guys, you can use my link to get enough commission. So guys, you can see how this thing work. It's just very simple. Let me show you my balance so you can see it's adding up. So if you don't know how this one work, just message me on my WhatsApp so I will explain better for you guys. I'm not joking, this one is late, guys.